Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are seeing me for the first time, hi, I'm Palvi, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. So doing this kind of video after so long, but anyways, I'm back with this sit down videos, and today's video is like super easy, super basic makeup look. If you want to go for a dinner, lunch, brunch with your friends and anyone, so you can do this makeup. It's really very easy, basic, and it will take around max 10 to 15 minutes, so it's very easy. So let's get started. So yeah, this cutie is back, and so many of you guys like this hairband. Like, so many of you guys asked me that from where you bought it and all of that. So I bought this from Miniso. I did a Miniso haul. I will link that video in the description box below, so if you want to see like in detail, then you can see there. And yeah, with that, let's start our tutorial now. So firstly, guys, moisturization is super important. I am using my favorite Garnier moisturizer, and it's over, guys. Like, this has nothing in it, but still I will be digging in that, like from bits and corners I will be using it, because I love this so much. The next thing I'll be using is my lip balm, which is Nivea Original Care. I love this product also, but not at that extent. But I love this product. I use it like almost every day. So I will be using this because the lipstick I'll be using is really very matte and really very drying. So you need to use lip balm under such lipstick. Basically, you have to use primer. But again, this is a very simple, very basic look, and this you may not carry for more than 4 to 5 hours maybe. So if you don't put primer also, then it's fine, like perfectly fine. I don't put primer under this look, but if your pores are very large, like they are like literally visible, then you can use primer. So I'll be not using primer. Also, I'll be not using any foundation, any concealer. So I am breaking out in some parts of the face, but that's completely fine. The whole point of this look is it's very basic, and it should not be like perfect. Some of your pimples show up, then that's completely fine. That's the whole point of this makeup, that it's basic. Again, if you have like really bad dark circles, then you can use concealer, you can use foundation, I'm just showing this video to you guys so that this process becomes easy for you guys. And if you want, then you can do some changes, and you can use any product if you want. But I directly jump into my eyebrows, and I'll be using the Miniso pencil for my eyebrows today. So basically, I lost my mirror and I don't have any mirror now, so I'll be doing my eyebrows off camera and I'll be back. So as you can see, I have done my eyebrows. So the next thing I'll be doing is using a little bit of strobing cream. So I use Maybelline wala strobing cream, which is in the shade pink, I guess. So I use Maybelline Master Strobing Cream, and the shade is pink. So I use a very little amount of that, and you have to just put the strobing cream on your high points, and I just spread it over my cheeks also a little bit, because I like that dewiness on my cheeks also. So as you can see, I just spread it over my high points, and I just little bit then take it on my cheeks also, because I like that dewiness on my cheeks also when I put blush. The next thing I'll be doing is my favorite thing. Like, I can go overboard with this and it still looks like totally pretty. So I'll be using my favorite tint, which is Etude House Dear Darling tint in the shade RD307. So again, this is very affordable, and it comes in this kind of a bottle, like it's very chotu, but it lasts forever. Like I use this almost every time I go out, because now we are quarantined and all of that stuff, we cannot go out. But every time I go out otherwise, I use this tint and I go like overboard with it. Now you will guys see like how much overboard I go with this tint, and it looks so pretty, believe me guys, and I just love this tint a lot. Don't worry about blush guys, like if you do it overboard also, no worries at all. Like once you step out of your house, the first thing in like few seconds or in few minutes, the first thing which gets vanished away is your blush. So you can overboard it, and there is absolute no problem in going overboard with your blush. After that, I'll be using my mascara, and I'm using Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. This is waterproof mascara, and obviously I can't do my mascara here. I'll go off camera and I'll do it, and I'll be back. So I'm back with my mascara on, and our makeup look is like almost done. Then we will be obviously, kitna bhi minimal makeup ho, I don't go out without putting my highlighter on. So obviously we will be putting our highlighter on for that extra glow. If you want, you can just skip this step, but I love doing it, so I do it. So this is not an compulsory step. And now we are on to our last step, which is lipstick. So yeah, this makeup look is really very easy and my favorite, because it takes like only 10 minutes of the time. I'll be using Wet n Wild lipstick, catsuit lipstick in shade Give Me Mocha, my favorite lipstick of all time. So this is like final result of my makeup look, and you guys have seen it, like it's super easy, super basic. That's it for today's video guys. I really hope you will find this tutorial very helpful, and I really hope that you guys will like this video. And yeah, if you like this video, then give a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button besides subscribe button, so every time I'm online, every time I post a video, you guys will get notified. So yeah, that's it for today's video guys, and we will meet next time. Bye.
We dancing, we dancing, we dancing.